This will take you through some of the IT services available to students at KOI. So as a student here, you'll be given access to a number of different IT systems. Of these systems, we have the Student Portal, Tech 1, the KOI domain, which covers the on-campus computers, the Wi-Fi, printing systems, and the e-learning Easy Proxy login. We also have Moodle, our e-learning platform, Microsoft Office, and your student email through Google. The student portal is used for online enrollment. You can check your timetable, attendance, or grade, submit inquiries to the student support teams, and check tuition status, make payments. To access the student portal, you can go to this URL here, and to sign in, you can just use your student email by clicking this button here to log in using Google with your student email. You can sign in to your student email using Google. To access your student email, you can go to Gmail and type in your student email, which looks like this. The KOI domain account covers your PC, Wi-Fi, Easy Proxy, and print login username and password. For security reasons, this password does expire in 120 days. If you need to reset your password, just go to password.koi.edu.au. So the KOI account covers your student PCs and laptops on campus, the student Wi-Fi, remote access to library resources Easy Proxy, yet printing on campus, you get $9 worth of free printing credit each week, which is 90 pages worth of printing. That's 10 cents per page. This doesn't roll over, so if you don't use that $9 by the end of the week, it does not roll over into next week. But if you need to print more than 90 pages in a week, there are printing vouchers available at the library. The password for this account is also the password that you will use for your Microsoft Office account. We have KOI Moodle, which is the student online learning platform where you'll find all your course materials and notes throughout the trimester. For hybrid classes, students should use the MS Teams. You can access MS Teams using the Microsoft account prepared by KOI. The username for this account is your student email address, which is your student ID number at students.koi.edu.au. The password for this system is your KOI domain password. This is not the same password that you use for your email, student portal, or Moodle. It's a different password. If you want to download Teams, you can download that from the Microsoft website, and the links for your classes should be available on Moodle. Students who are enrolled in KOI are eligible for access to Microsoft 365 for education. This includes students on break. To access Microsoft Office, you go to Office and then you sign in with your student email and you use your KOI domain password. Once you've done that, you click Install App and then you select that option to install it onto your computers.